Jessica here from Bloom United. I am an independent mascara artist. I'm semi-new to the game, but I've been studying my butt off for the past couple of months. And I'm here to talk to you about what you do when you get your kit in the mail. That is my biggest question I'm getting now from everyone is, oh my gosh, I just got my kit. What do I do? How do I lay this out? Just basic 101 application when you first get it, and so forth. So when you get your stuff in the mail, you're going to get these beautiful little tins. Put this back in the guy. And these beautiful little tins. Everyone is individualized with his own beautiful little picture on it, and it's so hard to not throw these tins away because they're just so pretty. So you're going to grab the end and push away. This is the setting powder. So all of them are going to come in something like that. You're going to get your compact. These compacts are free with your purchase. So 2 full-size tins gives you the small square one. 4 gets you this size, but not a double layer. It's just these 2. So if you don't need color corrected and you just need 4 tins, you'll end up with this. If you need color corrected, you need a stacked pack. And you need 8 tins to get this one for free for the double. 2 eyeshadows equal 1. And then the next size up, you need 10. And the next size up, you need 16 or 12. I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is the big guy. So most people start with this one, the double decker, or the quad. So when you get them, after you've opened them all up, I'm going to do it opposite for you, from left to right. Your first one, you can see me in the thing. Your first one that you're going to set in here is your color corrector, which is either going to usually be like mango or goddess or papaya, something like that. Your first one is going to go there. Then your main foundation color, then your highlight, then your contour. You can mix your highlight and your contour. It's up to you. So this would be my compact. So I don't need a color corrector. I don't have any makeup on right now. It's going in here first. And my main foundation color is Sunlit. Then you're going to put your highlight in here. Mine is Linen. Then I'm going to put my contour. Mine is Olive. And then you're going to put your blush. Now, if you have your color corrector, you're going to put your blush on the next level, okay? And then you're going to put your blush. Then I put my highlight next. And then I put my setting powder. So if you have a color corrector, it's going to be your blush, illuminator, setting powder, and then you'll have 2 empty spots for shadows. I have 4 in mine. So yeah, that is it. These are your 4 colors. So laying them out left to right. This is weird because you can see me in the mirror. Left to right for those guys. Make sense? Nice and easy. Main foundation color, highlight, contour, blush, in that order. So to apply, getting ready to apply. Basic, super basic. You're going to start with your perfector sponge. Either first put on your, what's that word called? I can't remember. It'll come to me. Put your setting spray on. Primer. Oh my gosh. Your primer. Put your primer on. I'm just putting a setting spray on now and keeping sure that that is close at hand. Letting that dry out. You want to make sure that it's not tacky and sticky on your face. I'm using the B² brush. I'm going to go in with my main foundation color. If you have a color corrector, you are going to go in where your artist, hopefully me, tells you where to go in and color correct. I will send you a picture where in black lines where you should go and apply your color correction first to fix any pigmentation issues, any acne scarring, anything like that, we can go in and fix that first. Then you're going in with your main foundation color, and you're just going to stipple that on. The big thing is that you only want a little bit on your brush, no more than that at a time, to blend that guy in. And it really doesn't matter where you do this on your face, where you start out. You can do it anywhere. I always start from the bottom and go up, but that's just me. I don't have a reason as to why. And I'm going to go under my eyes because I want extra coverage under there to hide those bags and that coverage. I do not put it where I'm putting my blush and my contour on my cheeks because I don't need that extra coverage there. You're using the small end of the B squared brush. If you're using the 30-second hack brush, you're using the smaller end of that guy as well. I'm going in with my detail hack brush. If you're using the 30-second hack brush, you're using the smaller end, using the side of the brush onto your next color, going left to right to your highlight color. If you have wrinkles or if you have large pores, you do not want to start here. You want to start out here and work your way up to that really delicate part of your under eye because that skin is very thin and you don't want it to sit in those wrinkles. You don't want it to sit in those pores. You don't want it to settle in there. So that's why we're building up to that area. Just stippling it on. It's okay if it's not super smooth right now because we're going to go back in and we're going to blend it out. Making your triangle under your eyes, making the triangle above your brow, on the chin, and I like to just blot out any additional I have underneath of that cheekbone to make it pop. So you're doing your triangle, and your triangle. Just a little bit down here, just to balance your face out, and then to the sides, nice and easy. I'm using the other side of my detail hack brush to just go in and blend that out. So, step 1, color correct. Go into those spots that I marked with black. Step 2, go in with your main foundation color everywhere. Step 3, do your upside down triangles under your eyes, above your forehead, or above your brow line, down the nose, chin, and sides. Those are blended out. Now I'm going to use the wide end of my detail hack brush or the smaller end of your 30-second hack brush into your contour color. You don't want a ton on there. You want to stipple that right into the cheekbone, that line of your cheekbone, right there. You don't want to go out past the corner of your eye. And when you're doing your highlight, you don't want to go out past the bottom of that corner of your nose right there. Then I'm going to contour above my head. Pull my hair back a little bit. Under my chin to just define that cheekbone out. That cheekbone, my jawline, I know what I'm talking about. Using the pointy end of my detail hack brush to contour my nose. So, under the cheekbones and around the whole face and the nose. And I'm going to just blend that nose in with the other side of my detail hack brush. Now I'm going to go in with my blush, which is either step 4 or step 5 for you if you're color correcting. And I'm applying it right on top of that contour line. And then I'm going to blend it in. So as I'm blending, reviewing, step 1, if you're color correcting, going into those black lines into your color correcting areas. Step 2, you're going to go in with your upside down triangles to the corners of your eyes, above your brow, and on your chin. And then you're going to go into your contour colors under your cheekbones, around your face, and your nose. Then adding your blush in. That's all for your top layer. Then we're going to go in with our illuminator. And I'm just going to apply that directly to the top of my cheekbone. Right there and right there. Above the top of the eyes, the nose, and the lips. I'm going to go in, because I don't have a lot of time, to put just my contour color to the corner of my eye, just to give my eye a little bit of a pop. And then I'm going to go in with my setting powder. Squeezing that brush to make sure that you're not getting it on anything else, and just stippling it out. Adding some setting powder, or setting spray. And that's it. we are done. 10 minutes, guys, to set up your kits, lay your colors out in your order, and do your makeup from start to finish. You could do your whole makeup in under 5 minutes. So this is a nice, basic, simple way to use mascara, nice and easy. You can use your lip and cheek for your lip color. I'm using the new lip conditioner. If you would like to get color matched, I can help you out with that in person, or if you're in Western Maryland, or online. If you go to my website at teambloomunited.com, you go there. There is a color form on there. You show me a selfie. I will ask you a bunch of questions, and I will send you a color match, and I will send you a PDF, a very detailed but not overwhelming PDF on exactly how to apply, going over all of this that I talked about in the video and more. Thank you all so much. Join me for more videos. If you like this video, please click like and comment and tell me what you liked, or if you want more information. I will be happy to give that to you. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye!